Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and selamat datang di Study with Nova. Hello alamal, ik heet Nova and welcome to Study with Nova. So this is additions. So we will using try and except to catch the value error actually. So one common problem when prompting for numerical input occurs when people provide text instead of numbers. So when you try to convert the input to an integer, you will get a value error, right? And then write a program that's prompt for two numbers, add them together and print the result. So this is the first number and then the second number, and then you get the sums. Catch the value error if either input value is not a number. If I input not number, maybe string like a name, your name, because it's string, and then you get different print a friendly error message. And then test your program by entering two numbers and then by entering some text instead of number. Here, this is this is we using try and except blocks. This is our next step. So let's try it. Pin please input two numbers and then number one. This is input number two as variable here. No input. I want to add integer in a try except blocks, right? Wait. Number here. This and then try. Is it true? Wait a minute, yeah. So integer number one plus integer number two. Here except value error, here value error, and appropriate argument value or correct type, and then you just add print please input numbers, and then I forget. Is it okay just only try except or anything? But yeah, let's try it. Okay, else is the sum. Print the sum. Print from the here and I don't know this for your sum. Here, let's try 10 6. Please input the number. What is your number one? 1 and 2. The addition is 3, right? But please input the numbers. But what if I add the string? And the second one, please input numbers. So the output will be please input the numbers. So that's all for these questions. But you know what? It's not working because we didn't want end it like this. We want to continue if we have like this. So I think it is much better if we using like a while loop to make sure that we always looping and we will out if we have like the addition is like a sum like that. So I wanna in the next question in 10 seconds we will using while loop. It is seems like this, but this is always using while loop. So we don't like this, we don't end it like this because this is not what you want, right? You always want to make sure that we have like the addition is a number and then the input is a number using integer and then in integer, always like this. So yep, that's our additional in 10 seconds here. But for that, just add for your Python using try except box. Okay, wait. Okay, done. So the question is why we make like this, try and then accept and then the second one else, try and accept blocks. This is the name is try and accept blocks because if we add like the input is not like the input in appropriate argument value, we just didn't get the error like before. We just get the please input numbers like here, please input numbers. So we get a what the meaning like this, print a friendly error message, right? So that's why we use try and accept to just try, is it the input is integer or in integers. If it's not integer, you can expect that the output will be the friendly printing please input numbers, not the like the error value error like before. So that's why try and accept is important. Okay, let's try another question with while loops. The same question but using while loops. So bye bye.